can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. September has been a crazy month. We've seen a lot of dumps in the month of September. We've also seen a lot of pumps in the month of September. We're taking a review of the month of September, looking at the Bitcoin price chart. What has Bitcoin done throughout the month of September? What are we expecting in the month of October? We also look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. The whole month saw Bitcoin dominance ranging around the 58% region. We're still expecting that big decline in Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully that will happen in the month of October. We'll look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. How bullish are market participants? How bearish are market participants? Because right now, sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. We'll be talking about that. We'll also look at the altcoin season index. Right now, it's not an altcoin season. It's not an altcoin month. Altcoins are not outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing way better than them. We'll be expecting those altcoins to show some signs of life in the month of October. We'll look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about where the market is heading to in the new months. The new months that is known to be very bullish. We'll talk about that and more. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin currently trades around $114,000. We have seen Bitcoin get to as high as $124,000. That was on the 14th of August, 2025. Bitcoin spent the whole of September not rallying past the $121,000 level. We saw Bitcoin even getting to as high as $117,000 in the month of September. But right now, it's been around 47 days since Bitcoin set new all-time highs. Historically, October has always been a good month for Bitcoin. Will this time be different? I don't think this time will be different, guys. I believe Bitcoin is gearing up for the final pump to the upside. That pump is going to get a lot of market participants off guard. We're going to see a lot of people forming at the top when they should be selling at the top. You're playing the game, guys. The game we're playing, the cryptocurrency market, is a game against other market participants. We're trying to buy as low as possible. We're trying to sell as high as possible. We're trying to buy when there's fear in the market, and we want to sell when great returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Remember, guys, the cycle doesn't last forever. We have been pumping over the last 3 years. This Bitcoin bull market started way back in November of 2022. So November of 2023, we make it 3 years. We have been pumping to the upside. The pump doesn't last forever. Historically, the pump ends in the third year from the bottom. I will not be shocked if this time is not different. We saw happen in 2021. The market was pumping since 2018. When did the rally end? The rally ended in 2021. So this time is not different. Hopefully Q4 will be very good for Bitcoin, but right now Bitcoin dominance sits around the 58% region. We're still waiting for that epic decline in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has started dumping since the 25th of June 2025, and that was the day we saw capital start flipping from the Bitcoin market into the altcoin market. Since then, altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin. Since then, we have seen the altcoin market get so many crazy pumps. Over the last 1 week, Zcash is up 39%, my Finance is up 66%. Huge volatility in the altcoin market. And remember, we always say volatility is a future, it's not a bug. On a monthly time frame, my Finance went up 1,200%, Zcash had a 69% pump, Meme.co had a 300% pump, Worldcoin 40%, Pump.fund 64%. BNB went to new all-time highs in the month of September. BNB finally crossed the $1,000 level. But in the month of October, guys, we'll be expecting more pumps to the upside for the altcoin market, as Bitcoin dominance will have its final dump. I believe at some point in time in Q4, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dump to as low as 50%, maybe even lower than 50%. But I believe that dump will be catastrophic. That dump will be epic, where we'll see the altcoin market going to new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap also going to new all-time highs. That's my base case scenario for the altcoin market over the next few months. I expect to see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. I've seen the total crypto market cap also get to new all-time highs on the 14th of August. Bitcoin got to new all-time highs. Total crypto market got to new all-time highs. The next line of action I'll be expecting will be the total crypto market cap to rally aggressively to new all-time highs without Bitcoin joining the party. If we see those market conditions playing right, guys, that might be sign of trouble in paradise. If we take a look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, that's Ethereum and other altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. They set their own highs on the 13th of September 2025. I'll be expecting them to also set new all-time highs, but them setting new all-time highs is going to be a bittersweet moment in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, when the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin sets new all-time highs, when the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum also set new all-time highs without Bitcoin joining in the party, that's a telltale sign that markets are behaving irrational. That's a telltale sign that all coins are leading the party, and historically, all coins always lead the party just before the crash. So that's an important chart to watch out for in the month of September. The Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Also pay attention to total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar, Ethereum currently trades around $4,200. We have seen Ethereum in the month of September rally to as high as $4,750, but Ethereum's all-time high sits around $4,955. We got there in August 2025. I believe we're going to see Ethereum getting to new all-time highs, rallying above $5,000. Hopefully, Ethereum gets to as high as $5,500, but I don't see an outrageous pump towards $10,000. A lot of market participants are expecting a blow off top. There's no guarantee, guys, that the market cycle will end with us having a blow off top to the moon. Nobody promised you that. One thing was sure, the market will pump, the market will dump. Your number one job is to take advantage of those movements. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since April of 2025. I don't think that will change. I believe Ethereum just had a quick reset. I still believe we'll see Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin get to the 0.05 ratio level at some point in time in this cycle. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, guys, the bears have been getting liquidated. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money before the main event starts. A lot of market participants are getting impatient. They are going max on the liquidation bar right now. The last 24 hours have seen more than 118,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $310 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $5.4 million. September has been called a lot of names right now. We're ending the month of September on a very bright note. We're ending Q3 on a very bright note. In Q3, Ethereum saw a 68% increase, which is crazy. Bitcoin saw only a 6% increase in the whole of Q3, and Bitcoin has been the talk of the town. September is always bad for Bitcoin. That's what market participants say. But right now, September has been a nice month for Bitcoin. It's turning out to be one of the green Septembers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 5.26% in the month of September. On the other hand, Ethereum is still down 4.39%. I believe in the month of October, we're going to see Bitcoin pick up. Historically, Bitcoin always had double-digit gains in the month of October. You just had 2 Octobers where Bitcoin didn't have those crazy pumps. That was the 2018 bear market and the 2014 bear market. Will this time be different? I don't think this time will be different. I believe we're going to see Bitcoin have a bullish October. But remember, October is 30 days. Bitcoin could easily pump in the first half of October, get market participants hyper bullish, and we dump before October is ending. If you look at Altcoin season index, right now we're not an Altcoin season. This index have been playing with our emotions over the last few weeks. We've been heading towards Altcoin season. What we've been getting out of Altcoin season. If you don't know what an Altcoin season is, guys, it's 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. It's an altcoin season, and right now Bitcoin is up 4.5% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. BNB is up 55% over the last 90 days. Ethereum is up 62%. XRP is up 29%. You get the gist, guys. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. In the next 30 days, you're going to see hype shift from the altcoin market, from the Bitcoin market to the altcoin market. Market participants will start running to the altcoin market, trying to get those multiples, trying to get those 1x, those 2x, those 10x. Right now, Bitcoin's already at $111,000. Can Bitcoin get to $200,000? There's always that possibility that Bitcoin can go that high. But why we're all in the market is to get those big gains. And right now, many market participants would rather buy those altcoins where you could get those 10x, those 5x, those 3x than buying Bitcoin just to get a 20% move till the end of the cycle. Sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. The bulls and the bears are battling it out. We saw sentiment dip towards fear, but right now we're back to neutral sentiment. Hopefully in the month of October, we'll see some well-deserved greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. The last time we saw greed in the cryptocurrency market was way back on the 14th of August 2025. when we saw Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs. Since then, sentiment has deteriorated to the point that we saw the highest fear in the cryptocurrency market since the April dump. Since the Trump tariff tantrum, we just saw the highest point of fear on the 26th of September 2025. I believe that will be a local bottom that will propel us to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin is up 5% over the last 30 days. Ethereum is down 5% over the last 30 days. XRP is up 2%. BNB up 19% over the last 30 days. Solana, which rallied to as high as $240, is down to as low as $210. Dogecoin, Tron, and Cardano make up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin chilling around the $114,000 level. So market participants believe that's huge distribution. I myself believe so. I believe smart players are selling their Bitcoins, and at some point in time, the nearest future, guys, we're going to see a big decline for Bitcoin, around the 40% decline for Bitcoin. But before that decline comes, maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin could set new all-time highs. But one thing is sure, we're closer to the top than we are to the bottom. Let's look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Government grift ETF tracking Congress trade could launch this week. I've seen so many congressmen have been awesome trade. There's going to be an ETF that's going to be tracking their trades if you want to participate in the game. Bitmine calls ETF a discount to the future. BitDigital eyes $100 million. Bitmine have been accumulating Bitcoin over the last few months. Hopefully they'll push us to the moon. But remember, guys, we always talk about institutions coming to buy our bags. Right now, they are buying our bags. So let's always be having an exit. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profits. Binance joined Coinbase in offering white label crypto services for TradFi. Sole trader smash buy ahead of SEC Solana decision is $250 back on the table. We're going to be getting an ETF on the 10th of October for Solana and XRP. Hopefully that will propel the altcoin market pumping to the moon. But October is turning out to be a very crazy month for the altcoin market. There's a lot of bullish news lined up. ETFs are going to be launched. Altcoins are going to see digital asset treasuries. Market participants are going to be bullish. FTX have been distributing some funds to retail investors. Hopefully that will form a big, well-deserved chaos to give us an epic altcoin season. Altcoin season have been on the mouth of market participants. Market participants have been on the edge. Are we going to see altcoin season? Is the cycle over? Is it the start of the bear market? Yada. Guys, plan your trade and trade your plan. This time is no different. What you sow, you shall reap. Wave trade is the wonder to behold. If you have a plan, guys, most times than not, your plan comes to an end. The market is very volatile, and only those who have a plan can harvest those volatility. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. The altcoin market is showing signs of life. Waiting for that epic altcoin season. How bullish do you see altcoins being in the month of October? What altcoins are you buying for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.